Debunking common septic myths. On the internet, messages spread instantly, regardless of their validity. It's hard to tell the facts from the myths, including those about septic systems. So, let's debunk a few common septic systems myths. Myth number 1. New septic systems require seeding. What's seeding? It's the process of helping the bacteria in your system by adding different organic materials like yeast, manure, or worms. But it's not needed. Just using your septic system is enough, as the waste contains enough seeding abilities to get a new system going. Myth number 2. Additives keep old systems running great. Additives can help, but they aren't a magic fix. In fact, they are best used as boosts for healthy and efficient systems. If a system is old and not running well, additives cannot fix it. Only a septic professional can. Myth number 3. Pump your septic tank every time it is full. An average family can fill a septic tank in a little over 4 days. Instead of pumping, conserve water use and let your system handle it. When your system is full of sludge, that's when you need to pump out. Myth number 4. Once installed, your job is done. While bacteria and gravity take care of mostly everything, your system needs a little help. Mainly, it needs you to follow proper maintenance rules, like do not flush rules, water conservation, and general proper use. Myth number 5. You'll only ever need one septic system. Septic systems don't last a lifetime. On average, they last about 25 years, and that's with proper care and maintenance. Sometimes, septic myths muddy the waters. It's hard to understand which myths are true and which are false. Have questions about septic tips you heard? Call Advanced Septic Services of Florida at 352-242-6100.